Crypto digital gold rush or digital fool's gold? Let's talk crypto, folks. Specifically Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're the two biggest names in the game, but are they worth your hard-earned cash? It's like choosing between a vacation to Vegas and a trip to Disneyland. One's known for its gambling and potential for big wins or losses. The other for its innovation and maybe giving you the chills on Space Mountain. Investing in crypto is a bit like riding a roller coaster blindfolded. You know it's going to be a wild ride, but you have no idea if you'll end up throwing your hands in the air with joy or vomiting your guts out. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the two most popular roller coasters in this crypto amusement park. But which one is right for you? Buckle up, Buttercup, because we're diving in. First up, we've got Bitcoin. Think of it as the granddaddy of crypto. It's been around since 2009, which is like 1,000 years in internet time. Bitcoin was created by a mysterious figure or figures known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Seriously, we don't know who this person is or if they even exist. They could be a tech genius, a group of hackers, or even your weird neighbor who collects squirrels. The world may never know.
What we do know is that Bitcoin is a digital currency. No banks, no governments, just pure, unadulterated internet money. It's based on something called blockchain technology, which is basically a giant decentralized ledger that keeps track of all transactions. Think of it like a public spreadsheet that everyone can see, but no one can tamper with.
Bitcoin was designed to be scarce. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence. This scarcity is what gives Bitcoin value, kind of like gold. Now let's talk about Ethereum. If Bitcoin is the granddaddy of crypto, Ethereum is the hip, tech-savvy grandchild who's into coding and NFTs. Launched in 2015 by a young programmer named Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum is more than just a digital currency. It's a platform that allows developers to build decentralized applications, or dApps. Think of it as the Apple App Store, but instead of being controlled by a giant corporation, it's run by a network of computers.
Ethereum's native currency is called Ether, ETH, and it's used to fuel transactions and power dApps on the platform. But here's where things get interesting. Ethereum also allows for the creation of smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts that automatically enforce the terms of an agreement. For example, you could use a smart contract to buy a house without the need for lawyers or real estate agents. Just set the terms in the contract, and the blockchain will take care of the rest.
Ethereum is all about innovation, and it's constantly evolving. Now, the million-dollar question, or should I say the potentially million-dollar question, should you buy Bitcoin?
Well, that's like asking if you should bet on black or red at the roulette table. It's a gamble, folks. On the one hand, Bitcoin has been a phenomenal investment for early adopters. If you had bought $100 worth of Bitcoin back in 2010, you'd be sitting on a small fortune today. We're talking enough money to buy a yacht, a private island, or even a small country.
But here's the catch: past performance is not indicative of future results. Just because Bitcoin has gone up in value in the past doesn't mean it will continue to do so in the future.
Bitcoin has its risks too. It's notoriously volatile.
Should you buy Ethereum? What about Ethereum? Should you jump on that bandwagon?
Again, it's a gamble. But Ethereum does have a few things going for it that Bitcoin doesn't. For starters, it's more than just a currency. It's a platform with a wide range of potential applications. Those dApps and smart contracts we talked about, they could revolutionize everything from finance to healthcare to supply chain management.
Ethereum also has a strong and passionate community of developers who are constantly working to improve the platform. This constant innovation gives Ethereum a lot of potential for growth.
However, Ethereum also has its fair share of risks. It's still a relatively new technology.
So which one should you choose, Bitcoin or Ethereum?
Honestly, it's like trying to choose between a unicorn and a dragon. They're both mythical creatures with their own unique strengths and weaknesses. The best choice for you depends on your individual investment goals, risk tolerance, and whether you believe in unicorns or dragons more.
But here's the real talk: you don't have to choose just one. In fact, it's probably wiser to diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, especially when that basket is made of volatile digital currency.
Look, the crypto world is still in its Wild West days. It's full of promise and potential, but also risk and uncertainty. Before you invest a single penny, do your research. Understand what you're getting into. And remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose.
We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your opinions in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights on cryptocurrency investments.